Hello. In this video, we will learn how to modify a recorded script that is exported from a Selenium IDE to use in BMC PATROL for synthetic monitoring. First, let's understand why we modify a recorded script. The Pytest framework is required to execute a recorded Python script. We modify a script to remove this dependency and allow a script to execute on its own. Now, we will review a script and modify it. Remove the Pytest library that is imported into the script. Create an object of the generated class. Next, by using this object, call the methods of the generated class inside the try and finally statements. Now, your Python script is ready and can be executed in BMC PATROL for synthetic monitoring. Save the changes that you made to the script file. We suggest you use the command prompt to run this script before configuring it in the KM. For detailed information, click the documentation link provided in the video description. Thank you for watching.